Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So we finally got our room. We waited forever. So I wanted to give you a quick review, overview, room tour of this gorgeous brand new room. I mean, it's not brand new, but it's brand new for me because I've never stayed here before. These are the deluxe villas on the DVC side. I know there's probably a real full name for this type of room, so I'll definitely put it right over here, but without further ado, let me show you this beautiful room. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to stay here. All right, so I believe our room number is 9339. So this is absolutely stunning. I just love how fresh and clean and soft, I don't know, just like all these colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so you have your hallway, entryway, absolutely spacious, plenty of room to put a stroller. Let's go into this gorgeous bathroom. I heard some people complain about the bathroom that it's a little bit smaller, but to me it's still very spacious. We have our H2O products. I am still so happy to see that they're still here. For painting, you have your farm door, which is good, separates the sink and the bathroom area. Let me get the light. Beautiful, very spacious, very spacious. Oh, over here you have different products. It's Sea Marine. Interesting. Okay. Very spacious bathroom. Again, the entryway. I love this area. So much room. And you have a little chair, stool situation. Everything is so clean. Beautiful microwave. You have your Keurig. Coffee, I don't drink, and as always, coffee dominates. And I only have 2 teas, but that's okay. All right, here is the, what is this? The beverage cooler. I was hoping it was gonna have a fridge, but I guess not. All right, here we have the living room area. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited because we've never stayed in this room. It's gorgeous. The TV is beautiful. The paintings. Mary Poppins herself. This is a couch that folds down. My guys are outside. And here are the 2 beautiful beds. I love it. And the carpet and hardwood like mix like that. So comfy, so cozy. Absolutely love it. So beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice this little light. Wow, look at that. That is so beautiful. And then over here we have a little wardrobe cupboard area. Let's see. All right, so we have a steamer and a safe. Tons of space, like a ton of space. Oh, nice. You have a mirror, luggage rack. We have robes and a broom, extra pillow and blanket. And I think that's it. You got some outlets and USB chargers over there. I don't see too many USBs, but there is 2 more outlets there. Oh, right over here on the side. Yep, on both sides. You have 2 outlets and 2 different USB plugs. Right over here. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And now let me show you our balcony. I kicked my kids out to the balcony. This door is definitely a little hard to open, which I could appreciate for kids. If your mama was concerned, you do have two locks. one here, one here. And this is our Laguna view. It's beautiful. You have the wedding chapel, the new addition coming to Polynesian. I believe that's the other DVC building, pool, Gatorland, and is that police? I don't know, maybe patrolling, yes, no? Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this quick and short room tour of these beautiful rooms at Grand Floridian. I'm so excited that I get to stay here. We did rent DVC points from DVC rental store. I have my full video that I did about the whole experience. I will link it right over here and down below. Definitely check it out. They were so easy, so nice to work with, no muss, no fuss, and I also got a great deal. If I would have booked this room directly through Disney, I would have paid, I think it was over $1,400 for 2 nights, and I believe that we're paying around $940 or $980 for 2 nights. So there's quite a big difference. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave it down in the comments below, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.